Hi, I'm McLean, the founder of Easybeam, and today I want to show you portals, your app's gateway to AI. Let's create one real quick here. So each portal can be thought of as an AI feature in your app. Let's call this one Language Chat for my language learning AI application. Let's save it here. So every portal can have multiple different versions, and every version is basically just a prompt and a bunch of AI configuration settings. So let's call this one simple version. We can see it's selected OpenAI by default. That's good enough. And now we can start writing our prompt. So for a prompt, I'll put in something simple. You are an expert language teacher. Give simple exercises one at a time where the user has to translate from English to at language. Great. The lesson should concern perfect at lesson. So you can see I've got two variables with the at symbols. Each one of these will be filled out by the application when it's used. So here we can put French lesson verbs of motion. So if we want to test it out, we can just hit preview. And then, great, we will see the output by OpenAI. Okay, so let's call that good enough for now. Let's see what happens now when we publish it by clicking Publish Version and confirming. So it'll take a second, but now after you publish, your portal is available for integration into your app via the portal ID here. Great, and now that we've got a live version, let's make another version. Let's duplicate this. So this will take the current version, copy all of its contents into a new version. So now I've got a copy of simple version. Let's call this sassy version. And let's update, make it extremely sassy. Perfect. Now let's demo it with what we had before, which was French and verbs of motion, perhaps. Now, let's mix it up. Let's see how it is with Anthropic. Ooh, buckle up, Buttercup. You can see the language it's using is significantly more sassy. But to keep things consistent, let's go back to OpenAI, preview it again. Okay, all right, darling. Let's take a sassy strut down the runway of language. Certainly is sassy. So now we can publish this version and make it live to all of our users, which will instantly reroute all traffic to this version with this AI provider. Great, so now the sassy version is live, which means that all of our users will be getting this new sassy lesson right away.